Hi, today I want to teach you guys how to make kombucha at home. So first, you're going to need a glass container. We bought this one on Amazon. It's a nice ceramic one with a spigot, but it doesn't have to be that fancy. It could be something as simple as a larger glass jar. Anything glass basically that will hold your liquid in it. Preferably, ideally it's something that's not see-through, but if it is clear, just wrap it in a towel or put it in a dark closet because you're supposed to brew it in the dark. Next, you need a piece of cloth on top. So if you're using a jar, just hold it in place with an elastic. With this jar that I bought on Amazon, there's a nice ring to hold my piece of cloth on top. The cloth can be an old dish towel. This was a t-shirt that I sacrificed to cover the brew. You just want to do that to make sure no dust particulates or we had fruit flies one time got in and ruined the batch. So yeah, you need a glass jar, piece of cloth, and tea. So it can be made with black tea or green tea. They both have health benefits, so I like to do a mix. So for every gallon of kombucha I make, I personally use 3 green tea packets, and I use 3 black tea packets. I brew my tea for 6 minutes, and then I pour my tea into my container. So there's already tea that I previously made in here. So we've got 2 gallons of tea in here. For every 1 gallon of tea, you use 1 cup of sugar. So this is just organic cane sugar. We used, this is 2 gallons, so I put 2 cups in there, but for every 1 cup, it's a gallon. And again, for every 1 gallon of tea that you make, I use 6 tea bags, 3 green, 3 black. Next, you need your SCOBY. So a SCOBY stands for symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. Other people call it the SCOBY a mother. So let me just add this to our mix. Each time you brew kombucha, you get 2 SCOBYs. One for you, one for a friend. I do have a few extras. So the first few people to contact me, I'd be happy to share a SCOBY with you. So you put your SCOBY in there. And then you need approximately half a cup to a cup of starter fluid. So this is just kombucha from a previous brew that I did. And then you simply cover it with your cloth and you let it sit for 9 to 12 days. If you prefer it a little sweeter, I'd harvest it around 9. A little bit more tart, less sweet, harvest it around day 12. You can sneak a straw in the side and sample it, or use your spigot and sample it, see if it's at the right flavor that you like. That's everything. You just sit, wait. For bottling it, use a glass container. They sell brown reusable bottles like this on Amazon. If you can't get them on Amazon, I actually picked up a 6-pack of Grolsch beer for the bottles that I could reuse. But yeah, any kind of a reusable glass container is great. It's best if it's colored to protect your brew. But that's everything. If you have any questions, comment below or reach out to us.